Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have Windows Media Player installed and a target video file ready. Now begin. Right-click the file, pick Open With, then choose another app. Once the dialog appears, select Windows Media Player from the list. Make sure to check Always use this app to open. MP4, or the file extension shown, so Windows remembers the choice. Doing this now switches this file type to open in Windows Media Player immediately and avoids repeating the step for that extension. Once done with one file, set system-wide defaults to avoid per-file clicks. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Default Apps. Scroll to choose Defaults by file type and locate the extension you want to change, for example, MP4 or MKV. Click the current default app and select Windows Media Player. Repeat for each extension you use. This enforces Windows Media Player as the handler for those formats, so all matching files open there automatically, without further manual steps. Finish by testing. Double-click several files to confirm Windows Media Player launches. If Windows Media Player is not listed when choosing apps, Turn Windows features on or off and enable media features, then restart. If playback fails even after association, codecs may be missing, install the necessary codec pack, or re-encode the file to a supported format. Finally, make sure no overriding app, like a default set by group policy, prevents changes. If problems persist, restart the PC and retry the default app steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.